Time for my favorite, wall dog. I love wall dog. So wall dog can be done at a wall with your hands, palms flat. Go to your wall. Your hands will be hip width distance or shoulder width distance apart, I should say. And you bring yourself to 90 degrees with your arms straight, your crown, arms, shoulders, tailbone in one straight line, and your legs are either straight or your knees are a little bit bent. And the reason to bend the knees would be to, if your spine is rounded, if you bend your knees, you'll be able to stick the tailbone behind you and achieve that flat back. So either do that at a wall, or you can do it using the back of a chair or your kitchen counter. And I'm using a chair here simply because I need some space behind me to take us to the next move. So here we are in wall dog. Basically, your body is in a 90-degree angle, except your knees may be slightly bent and tailbone is sticking out. Key here, feel the lengthening in the spine. Find your breath. Great, now soften the knees and step forward and up and release from your first wall dog. Okay, let's do it again. So, chair, kitchen counter, or wall. Hands are shoulder width apart. Step your feet back until you have a straight line between from your head to your tailbone, tailbone down to your feet, so 90 degrees, okay? And then once again, you can bend your knees a little bit to really feel length in the spine. Breathe. So you're going to stick that tailbone behind you. Now you're looking down at your feet. Bring your right foot to center, just like step it over about 1 inch to 2 inches, and then lift the other leg up and hold it. So whichever leg you brought forward, the other one is up, and you're now in a one-legged wall dog. And in downward dog, I would call this three-legged dog. Breathe. And release that extended leg and switch sides. Other one up. Hold and breathe. This is a great preparation for doing your warrior 3. Holding on to a support. Breathe. Good for strengthening the hip bone. Holding and breathing. Great. Soften the knees, step the back foot down, walk the feet up carefully, and stand up. Excellent.